What's good, everybody, and welcome back to Cadillac Cartoons. And today I'm going to show you how to draw eyes on Asian cartoon characters. So just a little disclaimer, everything that I'm going to show you in this video is tailored towards my specific style of drawing. So what I'm going to start off doing in this video is showing you how I draw the eyes on most of my characters. And then I'm going to transition to this drawing of a head and then show you how I transition that method of drawing eyes towards drawing the eyes on Asian cartoon characters. Or Asian eyes, if you would. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so moving towards this head template that I drew, I want to start off by saying that when I draw eyes for most of my characters, they're going to lie on this line where the ear also sits on. And if you're not familiar with the style that I have of drawing my characters, I want to make it as simple as possible by saying the shape of the eyes that I draw look like the top bun of a hamburger. That's not meant to be funny in any way, but that's the best way I can describe it, at least for now. So going towards this side of the head, I'm just going to make an upside down letter U shape, which also looks like the top bun of a Krabby Patty. Like I said, I'm not trying to be funny by saying that, but in my style of drawing eyes, that's what that would look like. And then if I go towards this side, mind you, this head is at a 3/4 view, so we're gonna see a bigger portion of the eye on this side of the head compared to this side. So you see how it's kind of condensed and skinny on this side? We're gonna make a wider version of it on the opposite side of this center line. So I'm gonna go here. This is probably my stopping point. And you see that looks more like a top bun of a hamburger kind of shape. Because since this is at a 3/4 view, we're going to see more of this side than that side. So this is going to be more of a clear representation of this eye that I'm trying to explain. And then I'm just going to finish the head by just adding the nose in. And then I'm just going to draw a simple mouth, like so. Now going back to the eyes, I'm gonna begin to draw a circle shape. Now I'm not using any kind of guide to draw this circle. I'm just gonna make it as appealing as I can make it. And this circle shape is gonna take up most of that hamburger shape. And this circle that I'm drawing, that's called the iris. It took me many years to realize that that's not the pupil. Like, that's just me speaking from experience. That is the iris. That's the colored part of the eye. And then speaking of the iris, I'm going to draw a little crescent shape inside the middle of it, and that is going to be the pupil. The pupil is the black part of the eye. And the reason I'm making a crescent shape is to give that illusion that there's already a highlight of this character drawing that I'm making, even though it's a sketch. So this is what they do on the Cuphead drawings. So I'm gonna put an image of what I'm talking about on the screen so you can see that on the Cuphead drawings, even though it's black and white, the character itself is black and white, on the style of drawing, they add highlights to his eyes to give that illusion that there's already highlights being added to the piece, even though it's not in color. So that's what I'm doing here, except I'm using a different shape, because on that cartoon they have like a triangle shape. But see, what I'm doing is I'm sticking to just circles, because that could be a circle highlight that I usually do when I'm coloring these pieces. And it's going to be a whole bunch of circles for, we got a circle for the highlight, a circle for the pupil, circle for the iris, all circles pretty much. But on that style of cartooning that the character designer made for Cuphead, he stuck to a triangle for the highlight. So I'm not saying that's a bad choice, but you know, as an artist, you do you. But going back to this tutorial, I went back to this eye. And we're not going to see much of this circle here on this side because, like I said, this is at a 3/4 view, so one side is going to be more visible than the other. So I'm just going to finish constructing the iris and the pupil on this side of the head. And there we go. So now it looks like there's a highlight on the left-hand side, my left-hand side of this drawing, based on the highlight that I put in for the pupils. Now that's my style of drawing eyes, and real quick I'm just going to sketch in some eyebrows. And usually when I draw the eyebrows, I have it match the same arc as the eye itself, because like I said, the top bun of a hamburger type shape, it's gonna have an arc, like an upside down letter U shape if you want to call it that, or if you want to refer to it that way. So I like to have the eyebrows nice and sharp, or you can have them thick, super thick eyebrows. Either way works. So that's how I draw the eyes on most of my characters. Now let me go to this head and I'm gonna break it down for you on how to draw Asian eyes, or eyes on Asian characters if you would. So I'm actually gonna put my pencil down and I'm gonna use my blue colored pencil for this. Let me zoom out real quick. So what I'm gonna do with this blue colored pencil is I'm gonna do the same thing that I did on this eye, but I'm gonna use this blue colored pencil for it. And yes, I do use Crayola art supplies. Sometimes for these tutorials, sometimes I just finish up my sketches because I like to add a little color to my sketches. Like, there's nothing wrong with that. So I'm gonna create that same arc. Turn my paper this way. Like everything I just did for this head, I'm gonna do with this blue colored pencil. Because part of that we're gonna erase, so try not to do this with so much pressure. And then I can use my other pencil and I can draw in the nose. And then draw in the mouth. I'm just going to do that really quickly because we're not going to focus on that too much. And now going back up to the eyes, what I'm going to do is I'm going to come off of where the arc meets this little center line that the ear is going to lie on. That same line, I'm going to make it into like a, like I said, I'm not trying to be funny when I say this, but I'm going to make this in a hamburger shape into like a brioche bun. Like, I know that's kind of funny to say, but I'm not going to use this same arc that I did for this head. I'm going to actually make it into a football shape. And like I said, I'm not trying to be funny when I'm saying all this. I'm just trying to describe it in a good way. So, see this arc right here. And then I'm gonna finish that football shape at the bottom. Like so. Now you see how it's kind of looking like an Asian character in a way. So I'm gonna transition to this side. And I'm gonna do the same thing. Alright, now to get rid of all the excess, we can erase all the blue parts that we don't need. So the regular eye we can get rid of that we made with the blue colored pencil. And you don't even have to make them this skinny. You can make them a little bit wider. It's just this part of the eye is not going to touch this little center line that the ear is going to lie on. It's going to be elevated slightly. So actually what I'm going to do is I'm going to make that wider actually. And then kind of make that arc a little bit more curved so that way they can connect. You know, make them a little bit more wider. Alright, and now that we got that shape drawn, I can now go in and draw the iris. And like I said, the iris is going to take up most of that shape inside, if that makes sense. It's going to take up most of that shape in a way. So that's the iris. And now I'm going to do the same thing that I did over here and add a crescent shape for the pupil. Alright, and then I'm going to do the same thing over here. Alright. And then since we still have that hamburger shape still showing at least a little bit, or at least on my end, I'm going to draw a little line just to help me indicate that that's where the eyeball is inside the face, which we won't see. But that's just to help me place the eyebrows. So I'm just going to draw eyebrows. It's going to match that same arc like we did over here. Cool. And then I'm just gonna touch up some spots on the face. You know, that's just me trying to be a perfectionist. And there we go. That was how we draw eyes on Asian characters, or Asian eyes if you would. However you want to say it, we just drew eyes on an Asian cartoon character. So now that we're here, let me actually be a perfectionist, or me be an extra. And I'm going to add some hair to this character, make him look like a fully fledged character, and actually finish the sketch so that way I can feel completed. But I'm not about to let y'all sit here and do that. So I'm going to speed through that portion and be right back to close the video. Alrighty, that is how you do it. That is how you draw eyes on Asian characters, or Asian eyes if you would. So, if you liked the video, or if you found it useful, give it a like and a comment, subscribe if you haven't, and tap the notification bell so you never miss an upload. And I'll see you in my next video.